Hey, what's going on, guys? This is a intro video to our new channel. Myself and Josie back here in the corner. This is gonna be Koala-Tee performance. We got a bunch of projects going on right now. We have the 95 Mustang over here with the 5.0 manual 5-speed car that, you know, we're gonna drift missile kind of maybe. We have a 97 Integra that I bought stupid cheap and it's a turd, but I have heads and stage 2 cams for that, so that'll be fun. The main project right now is one of these Mark III Supras, which is this guy's specialty. This one happens to be the donor car. It's already fairly stripped, you know, no motor, nothing like that, which is going to be used for his first car that he ever bought. You know, full dynamat on the floors. We just got done doing the engine bay, so a lot of work cut out for us, but you know, fresh motors everywhere, so
way too many Supra motors.
Exactly.
And not enough Supra parts.
Tell us a little bit about your Supra obsession for the channel.
So this was my first car. It's a 1987 Toyota Supra. It was the first car I ever bought with my own money. Bought it when I was 18. I spent way too much money on it. Had it for, I don't know, 3 or 4 years. Did a lot of work to it. Ended up parting it out before I went to school. And it sat for like 6 years. And so now, with all this at-home work, figured I'd go ahead and get it done. So we've already taken care of the engine bay. We did like a nice rhino lining instead of the engine bay. Just a simple semi-gloss everywhere else. Dynamated the car up. When I first bought it, it already had a full 92 body conversion. So it has a lot of the updated Mark III parts on it. So it should be fairly simple switch over from all this stuff to on this, get it running and going. I think the hardest part is going to be going through this entire motor and doing all of the clearance work. We got lucky and we got a block for a really good price, but it's not assembled. And it's gonna take a lot of time. Hope you guys are gonna have fun with it.
Yeah, we are waiting for the crank and the head to come back from the machine shop for that motor. But in the meantime, we're probably going to film a bunch of stuff of, you know, swapping the interior parts and harnesses and all that good, happy, you know, stuff that we need to get this one rolling for the motor. So we're getting ready to push in our donor car and the brakes are locked up. So we're going to do some sketchy shit and, you know, push it with a truck and a tire. Should be fun. Yes, that is a G-Wagon. Yes, we work on those too. Yay. Let's go for a ride. That wasn't so bad. Oh. Perfecto.
All right. Okay, guys. We got the 88 in here. Getting ready to tear it down. So some more. So this being a pre-89 car will more than likely have a different body and engine harness than this 87 over here, since it had a 92 body conversion. I don't know how far the original owner took it when he did the full conversion, but I think that's going to be the biggest challenge we face swapping all this stuff over, because it's going to be a fairly simple, straightforward thing. I mean, we have all the diagrams, we have everything we need. It's just putting in the time and the work. So right now, the only thing done to the 88 is the engine, transmission are obviously pulled. I've got the carpet and both the seats out. That's it. We haven't done anything else. Can't expect myself to remember where everything goes on this other car, so we left this fairly complete so that we wouldn't forget where 95% of this stuff goes. But yeah, hope you have as much fun as we do tearing this thing down and putting it back together.
Thanks for checking us out, guys. I'm going to try to upload content daily to, you know, if you guys are piqued interest. So make sure to hit that comment, like, subscribe, and, you know, let us know what you want to see, when you want to see it, because, you know, we'll probably maybe put, you know, one of these fancy LS's in the donor car when we're done. So that would be cool. So just, you know, like I said, make sure to comment, like, subscribe, and, you know, stay in the know.
Next one, guys.
Yeah.